Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can receive money on MoneyGram. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have a reference number from the sender and a valid ID, and this will ensure you can safely receive money sent to you. So first you will go to a MoneyGram agent or use the MoneyGram app, and next you will provide the reference number from the sender. And after that, you will just have to show a valid government issued ID, and the name of your ID must match the sender's details. Then you will confirm the amount and complete the security check. And finally, you can receive the money either as cash at an agent or in your linked bank account via app or cash pickup, bank account, debit card, mobile wallet. So these are the ways you could actually receive your money. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.